Hi, Megan. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Crystal yesterday, and she told me you were going to be the one to watch this video. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, one of your top competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I typically will send these out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up to start getting more traffic to their site. So if you watch this through and feel the same, then please do not hesitate to reach out. But without further ado, let's get into it. So right here, I am on your home page, which is actually looks really good. I would say probably be a good idea to put your phone number up here just because some people they just want to come on and find a number right away. And so there's not a lot of content on here, as you can see. And so Google is actually going to be ranking you based off of around 200 different factors. And one of those key factors is content. And so you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I actually did a search, and you guys right now have 599 words. So we definitely want to add some more content in there, and we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to come through and read your content, and they are going to deem whether or not it will be easy for their users to find the information or the services that they're looking for. And so, in addition to having a sufficient amount of quality educational content, we also want that content to have the proper amount of high volume keywords in there so that we can get as many people on your site as we can. And so over here, I am on Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation, Raleigh, and C. This is a great keyword. It brings in around 250 searches per month. And so even if you were able to make a few of these into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right underneath there, we usually are going to see our Google ads. There are none right now, but Google ads are a really good way to get some brand recognition, get your name out there while you wait for your SEO to warm up, as long as if they are done correctly. Because if not, they can actually be a huge money pit, but they are a good way to get some customers in really quickly. And so right underneath where the ads usually are, right here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is a good way to get seen. You're right at the top of the page. So right now you have to be top 3 to get up here. It used to be 5, but Google actually switched it up, and now you have to be top 3. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so citations are just when your business is listed on different directories around the web. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be on as many of these high-powered, highly trusted directories as possible, and definitely more than these 3 are right here. And so right here we have our organic search results. And so organic search results are definitely top priority. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they're going to end up clicking on one of these organic search results, and it's usually going to be one of the ones at the top of the page. So this is definitely a place you want to be. Really quickly, I'm just going to click on this site. This is the top company site for this keyword. And so we can go through. And so as you can see, they don't have a lot of content either. They actually have 805 words, so it would be extremely easy to beat them content-wise. They don't even have enough for Google's standards. But as you can see, they do have some good keywords in there. But the main way that you're going to get up here in these organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so the internet is basically made up of websites linking websites and businesses linking businesses. And so you want to get as many of these backlinks from relevant, high-powered, trusted sites, preferably local to you. So like a local plumbing company, construction company, or real estate agent that is really popular and trusted in your area and uses their website really well, it would be great to have a backlink from them because it'd be a very good, relevant, high-powered backlink for you. And so right here, I am on ahrefs.com. And so I was taking a look at your competition. This is the website we were just on. Here we can see that they have 1,000 backlinks from 125 different domains and are ranking for almost 1,000 keywords. So this is a really great site, by the way. This is ahrefs.com. It cost me around $400 a month to use, but if you guys ever try and do this on your own, I definitely suggest getting this site. It is well worth it. It gives a lot of good information like this. We can actually use it to take a closer look at the keywords. And so here we can see on the left all of the keywords that they're ranking for. We can see how many people search for them a month. We can see how much traffic they get from that keyword per month, and we can see what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can go through here and find which ones are the most relevant, have the most buyer's intent, and bring in the most traffic and decide which ones we want to snag and use for your site. And so now, just the same way we look through the keywords, we can look through the backlinks page I was just on before, and we can go through and we can see which backlinks would be good for you guys to snag for your site. We want one with a high DR domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. So we can just kind of go through here and pick and choose which ones we want. We do want to get more than they have, so we'd have to go through all of your competitors and get the best ones from each, find a few of our own. But 933 backlinks actually isn't that difficult. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide. So we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly, we'll just look through your site. Right now, you guys have 909 backlinks from 60 different domains and are going for a little over 1,000 keywords. So we can kind of go through here and we can see that although you guys do have like some good keywords, a lot of them don't have very high volume, or they're more like national keywords, like right here, water remediation companies. You're usually going to get really good keywords are the ones that have your location in them. So we definitely want to get some more high volume buyer intent keywords. And also, just one thing I noticed really quickly is although it says that you guys have 909 backlinks, if you actually look over here, it says that 42% of them are no follow, which means although you are getting a link, it doesn't actually give any power to your site. So you want to have more do follow links than all of your competition. And so to kind of recap what we talked about really quickly, number one is more educational content with the right buyer intent keywords. Number two, more citations so that we can get on the map pack. And then number three, more powerful, relevant, do follow backlinks. And so that's basically what I have for you for today. Hopefully, you learned something from this and enjoyed it. If you're interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You could either email me back or you can give me a call. My phone number is going to be 714 975 5909. So thank you for watching.